At least 6 persons, including 3 internally displaced persons IDPs and a journalist, were injured when the protest in Gualtabi area turned out ugly, with security forces firing several rounds of tear gas shells. The incident occurred at around 11:30 a.m. this morning when a group of IDPs from Gualtabi and currently staying at Sawangwong Relief Camp in Imphal East District tried to return to their original homes. As the IDPs were marching from Yangangpokpi to Gualtabi, protesting the ongoing Sangai festival and demanding their resettlement and free movement on national highways, a large number of security forces stopped them at Gualtabi Kuno, which resulted in a scuffle between the two sides. Soon, the security forces fired several rounds of tear gas shells to disperse the crowd, and the protesters also pelted stones towards the security forces, injuring at least 4 IDPs and the police commando personnel and a journalist of Impact TV. The IDPs were rushed to a nearby healthcare facility. Speaking on the sidelines, an IDP named Thongnaucham Yaimabi argued that their demand for returning to their original homes is well grounded, given that the government is holding Sangai festival on the ground that peace and normalcy has been restored in the state. She further denounced the police action, calling it unfair and brutal act.
Government na free movement lay there. Me loy na mag festival to boy are high rabani na koi su yum mai ke do Gualtabi hai bai lam je sahi ani ga makai je koi ji sang bangam dare ubu phang dare moi na yare khotle hai me pesa ka pani high rabani na koi yum do yeng jaru rage moi na kari thorang lokhat bi rage government ji side gi high raga koi ji lak chabani police mayam jinjina chokat pi badi lai re da na moi mayam na pyar gas caption bo tan thok pi bo to bi re si gum ba to bo thawong ni om je koi pam ja de koi Jajaning de akoi relief camp da lei basi leiban nungai tere noi yarege athuba matam da sarkar na akoi je yum da hanjan bi holo ni macha masu mayam lairik tamhanle akoi icha isuju tamhaningum kauru ramne na ai icha makse huji bakta Tamil Nadu da engineering tamba ama thagi huji ai minai oiraga nungti jagi mi gi lukhak chenguraga icha gi lairik tamda ya da mani na thare ai honare aduna yum mai ge si amtang yeng jage yum da amta hanjan jage